ITO Region 9, Sir Jekyll Kadumog. Sir Jekyll.
Thank you, Sir Carlos. Good morning to all. I am Jekyll Kadungog, ITO of Region 9. So my task now is to present and also demo the IPCRF data collection and monitoring system. So before going to the demonstration and the steps on how to do it, so I just want to have a quick info about this system. So this system is a web application made in Google App Script intended for the collection of an accomplished prescribed IPCR form, IPCR form file and data. So basically, application is made through JavaScript, HTML, and our storage for the files submitted by the users is the Google Drive and serves as our database, our Google Sheet, and yun po. So we are very sure for the security of our data. Okay. So I just want to show you how this system works. First is that from the previous session that you have, hopefully you have a initial accomplishment of this IPCRF file or IPCRF form that will be used for uploading later on during the hands-on simulation. So first, principal or school head, meron po siyang assigned personnel serves as the uploader. And after that, our SDO HRDs can monitor the division-wide submissions, and as well as RO HRDD monitors the region-wide submissions, and also the BHROD HRDD can monitor the nationwide submissions. So we have separated links for the submission and also for the monitoring. So if you notice, separated po yung links because para po mas madali yung hindi na po wala pong maraming kuskus balungos. Just type the URL and there you go. So paalala lang po that this system, you can only use this system if you are using DepEd email. So hindi po pwede yung ibang email address na gamitin natin. So medyo strict tayo dito kasi we are gathering information of our teachers. So these are the quick steps on how to submit or how to access and submit the complete IPCRF form. So first is you need to open the link provided. So yung link nandyan sa baba, you can use that. You can reserve that link because that link will be served as our or will be used during the simulation process. Okay. So once you open the link and it will ask you your login details. So first is you need to type your DepEd email and provide your password. And if you're done, and it will prompt you this window. So this is now the interface, the primary interface of our data collections or IPCRF data collection system. So wherein it displays in compliance with Data Privacy Act and also what is the purpose of this system. So if you notice there, we have the upload IPCRF file here and view submissions. So this interface, the uploader can browse the files and view the submissions. So first is this upload IPCRF file here. And so you need to click the IPCRF or the upload IPCRF file, and during sa rollout po natin, we will instruct the schools that they will organize their files para during the uploading hindi po sila mahihirapan. Okay? So as of this time, okay, now if after clicking the upload IPCRF file here, so it will prompt you a dialog box wherein it will serve as a new window and search the directory of those IPCRF files. So, yan. So as of the last the batch 2, mayroon pong nagtanong na pwede po ba na batch uploading. So this system for now is accepts individual uploading of the file. So mamaya I will explain kung bakit siya. Okay. So the system has different conditions to meet. No? If you did not meet the condition, then meron pong mga warnings na lalabas. So if your file is complete and finalize all the parts of it, no, kanina sinabi ni Sir Kevin na you need to finalize COT part 1, part 2, part 4. So yun yung mga condition na dapat i-meet po natin bago po lalabas yung success. Kasi pag hindi po na-finalize yung part 2, okay, the system detects that that part 2 is not finalized. So all you have to do is to return the file and inform the rater that he or she must finalize the file. And pag na-finalize na niya, then resubmit and rebrowse that file again. Okay? Yan. So another warning is that the version error. So as Sir Carlos said, that you need to download, or the teacher or the school or yung assigned rater will download the latest version, because there are some updates on that file. So if you're using the old version, system also detects that that is an old version and it will not allow or will not accept the file browsed. Okay. And another one is that, okay, I'll just go back a little bit. So if the system detects that you're using old version of the IPCRF file, so it will prompt you to download the latest version. Just click download file and fill up, finalize, and encode, finalize, and browse again. Okay. So file error. So there are some cases when you browse the file, when you click the upload, it will the default is it will search the .xlsm file, wherein that is the prescribed extension for our file. But there are some very techy person that they will try to browse other files, other Excel file. So it will prompt you this file error, that it will say here that the file selected is not DepEd prescribed IPCRF file. So again, it will prompt you to download the file, the latest, or the prescribed and the latest. So ayan, .xls, this is an Excel file. So basically, hindi po tatanggapin ni system. And SLXX, hindi po niya tatanggapin. Ang tatanggapin lang niya is this .xlsm extension of our file. So that is the very quick submission. So unlike last year, na marami pong process to consolidate, download, and save, consolidate. But this time, all you have to do is browse, finalize yung IPCRF form, and then submit. So once the form is, or the file is complete, now the system will automatically show the submit button. So once the submit button will appear, that's the time. So meaning your file is ready to upload, and then click submit. And the system, for the information of everybody, that the system will collect initially all the data from that form before uploading and before saving to our database. So the system will check all the information is correct, and meron pong mga restrictions na nakaset up dyan to verify that your file or the information is really correct upon during the encoding process. So mayroon pong view submissions, wherein I'll show you mamaya what are these functions for view submissions. Okay. Yeah. So after submitting, it will now prompt you, wait for this congratulations, meaning that file is already uploaded. So minsan magkamali tayo na mag-click or ma-browse again the uploaded file. So the system also will detect that that file is already uploaded. Okay. Ayan. So are you ready now for the actual demonstration? Very simple steps lang yung sa slides ko, and I will put premium on the demonstration. So ang prescribed po na browser na gamitin natin is Google Chrome, since yung system po natin is gawa from the Google applications. So actual demonstration na po. So yan po. after, I just skip on the process of logging in since nakalagin na ako to have yung time po natin medyo hinahabol tayo. So, ayan po. Very quick view lang po sa screen. You have the privacy notice and also the active email. So, make sure lang po, yung uploader po natin is siya yung nakalagin kasi. Kasi pag iba yung nakalagin, lalabas din yung active email dito. So, si system na po ang mag-identify ng email na yan. Okay? So, make sure yung uploader, tama yung email address at saka, pag hindi po ginamit yung repeat email, hindi talaga siya makarating dito sa page na to. Okay? So, first, I have a 3 example file. No? So, all you have to do is to click on this button, upload IPCRF file here, and it will browse or it will then search search the file. So I am now browsing sample file unfinalized. There are some part of the IPCRF file na hindi po siya na-finalize. Either part 1, either part 2, or part 4. So we'll try kung anong lalabas dyan okay? So yan. So nakita po, sorry, the system detected incomplete action in the form selected. Please see below for details. So mayroon pong hindi naka-finalize yan is the part 4. So ayan, sinabi ko kanina, all you have to do is to go back to the rater and tell her or him na hindi po na-finalize yung part 4 and dahil kailangan po ipa-finalize kasi hindi tatanggapin sa system. Okay? So once click OK and finalize that file. So ayan. Other example also is that version kasi mayroong na-release na version previously or prior May 4. So mayroong ding error, mayroong ding warning na you are browsing the old version of the file. Yan. So cancel to browse again and download the file if kailangan mo gamitin yung latest one. Okay. And another one is that we'll try this if this example number 3. Okay. So pasado po sa first warning. Ayan. Yan. So meaning this file is finalized and ready to upload. So and also hindi pa po na-upload ang file na to. So we'll try to upload this. Okay. Okay. And as what I have said, mayroon pong submit button na lalabas automatically. So click submit and we will just wait. Okay, uploading. Please wait. System is uploading your file. So sinesave po yung file mismo at saka yung data ng or laman po ng file doon sa database at saka doon sa storage na Google Drive natin. So we will just wait for this dialog or for this warning, for this alert na congratulations, your IPCRF data has been uploaded successfully. Okay? So now, after submitting it, mayroon pong submit data and view submission list. Okay? So before the view submission list, upload ako, halimbawa ako yung uploader, i-upload ko ulit, mag-upload ako ulit ako ng file ng teacher. So this time, I will try to browse again the file that I just have uploaded earlier. So, browse ko siya. Okay. So ano pong lalabas? So correct ang version, tama po yung extension. So ganito po yung lalabas pag ganun yung na-meet yung condition. But, ayan, mayroon pong isang warning na the selected file is already uploaded. Please check your file. Okay? So it negates the redundancy of the file to be uploaded. No? So we just make sure na lahat po ng file wala pong magkakadoble doon sa loob ng storage natin. So we are very sure na lahat po ng nasa database na nakalista ay they are unique and authentic file or data uploaded. Okay? So yun po. So next is that view submissions. So dito makikita mo, okay, once you click view submissions, please select first your region. Okay, select muna yung region kung saan ako. Okay. And wait, I'm using region 11, Davao region for my sample files. Okay. So I'll just click, after clicking my region, click view. So system now is loading all the lists you submitted. Okay. Now, system found five records you submitted. Okay, paalala lang po, in this portion, the list you are the list being displayed here, yung sinubmit mo lang. So halimbawa sa isang school, mayroong 3 uploader, hindi mo makita yung in-upload sa isang uploader. So yung sinubmit mo lang. Yan. Yun po yung mga restrictions dito. Now, nandyan, mayroon pong nakalagay submissions, meaning you have 5 submissions. Nakalagay yung region, yung division mo, at saka yung school ID and school name of your school. Okay? To make sure na nasa tamang school ka. Kasi minsan nagkamali tayo and minsan hindi na natama yung mga mali natin. No? So, ayan. Okay, ayan. Now, you have the action, no? Mayroon kayong action na to delete. Example, may mali na finalize pero mayroon palang nakalimutan, may COT pala yung isang teacher na hindi niya nalagay doon. Halimbawa, may COT1, COT2 lang, tapos mayroon pa palang COT3. Example lang, no? Those scenario. Example lang yan. So, pwede niya, na-upload na siya and you are going to browse again that file of the teacher. Hindi tatanggapin ni system kasi nandito na siya. So, all you have to do is that delete that file, no? Kanina. So, halimbawa kanina ito yung in-upload ko. So, I will now delete this, okay? So, the system asks you, are you sure na you want to delete? So, automatic po si system mag-i-delete na yung file uploaded sa Google Drive and yung data ni teacher sa Google Sheet sa database po natin. Okay? So, yes, delete it and wait for the mayroon pong lalabas dyan mamaya. Okay, wait. Ayan. So, meaning, deleted na po yung file na yan. Okay? So, we'll try if that file is deleted and pwede na ba mag-resubmit si uploader. So, ayan. So, 4 na lang. Kanina 5. So, we'll click Submit Data and browse natin ulit yung file ni teacher na mayroong revision. So, ayan. Ayan, okay? So, tinanggap na ni system yung file na yon kasi deleted na sa database po natin. Okay. So, submit. So, yun po yung kagandahan po ng view submissions. So, ayan. So, nakita po natin dyan sa screen na mayroon pong teacher's name. So, wala pong entry na gagawin si uploader para to avoid mga clerical errors during the entry process. So, lahat po galing sa file na in-upload po natin. So, we should inform our teachers or mga raters na they are very keen on encoding and selecting the region of their file before replicate or duplicating that for their teachers. Okay, so ayan, Sir Kaloy, I think I am now ready to have the simulation. Okay, so you have 5 minutes to do the simulation. Okay po ba? So ayan, your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Ayan, 10, 9. Okay. Ayan.
2, 1, and time's
Okay,
up.
time's up po. Okay, time's up. Okay. So focus now on the screen. Okay, let's now move to the IPCRF data collection and monitoring system, the monitoring process. Okay. Now, this is a very simple step na for the monitoring. So, ang mag-a-access lang po ng monitoring si SDO, RO at saka CO. So, sa school level, wala pong monitoring sa school level. I mean, si principal, makikita lang niya, mayroon din siyang monitoring process doon sa baba, pero yung sa view submissions lang ng mga uploaders. But for analytics on the submissions, dito po sa monitoring from SDO up to CO. So, ayan, provided the link. Take note the link, mamaya po i-comment yan ni Sir Angelo, yung link na yan para diretso na kayo maklik at saka it will redirect you to the system. So again, gagamitin po natin yung DepEd email address. Always po yan. Provide the login details. Kahit hindi siya nag-provide, provide login details. Okay? And it will prompt you to the next interface, which is this dashboard. Ayan. So yung nagtatanong kanina, mayroon ba tayong numbers on the monitor the numbers of submission per school, per division, region. Okay. So this time I am viewing now. Okay, on your screen the division office dashboard. So the division office dashboard. Okay. If you notice, nakalagay po dyan. So mayroon pong restriction sa pag-access. So yung mga registered email addresses lang po ang makapag-access nito. So basically, ang mga ATO po na nandito ngayon, hindi po makapag-access. Okay? Kasi we'll practice on yung sa rules responsibility po. So ngayon, nandyan po nakalagay yung pangalan, yung email address, anong region kayo at saka anong division. So division office dashboard, ito makikita po dyan is mayroon po yung graph status by school. So makikita nyo dyan per submission, no? And yung lahat ng schools na nandyan. Okay? And also the quick data on ilang teachers po in your division, since division siya, ilang teachers po ang nasubmit na sa division nyo, at saka ilang schools ang nakapag-submit. You have now the number. So dynamic po siya upon submission of the uploader, automatic po mag-change yung data dyan. Make sure na i-refresh nyo lang yung page. Okay? So sa baba, you have now the list of the IPCRF, the data of a teacher uploaded. So filtered po, ang nakalagay lang po dyan is yung region, division, school ID, school, at saka names ng teacher and also submitted by. Para makita po natin na ma-filter natin. Okay? So since division-wide siya, so you cannot filter other division but your division only. And since dito nakalagay, filter school ID, so ito po, kung gusto po natin makikita kung ilang school po ang ilang teachers sa isang school na nakapag-submit, so just filter the school ID. Pag hindi natin alam yung school ID, filter the school name. So marami tayong option. Tsaka gusto mo na gusto mong malaman if yung IPCRF file ng isang teacher is already on the system. So pwede mo i-search yung pangalan ng teacher dito. And syempre, magtanong si principal kung ilan yung na-submit. Mayroon din namang interface doon sa submission, pero this time sa SDO level, mayroon po tayong option to filter yung mga uploaders. Okay? So ayan. So ito lang yung interface, ma-monitor natin yung number of schools submitted and teacher submissions. So ayan. So minimalist lang po yung interface po natin. Actual demonstration.
While waiting po for switching of screen, meron pong tanong dito, may concern siya, 2 COT lang. So ano yung mangyayari? Kasi ang teacher naka-maternity leave, tapos biglang nag-sick leave, at ano pang mga leave. So ano yung mangyayari? 2 COT lang, what recommendation? As is po, kung 2 COT lang pong i-accomplish and just leave it blank, si COT 3 at COT 4. Wala pong problema dyan po. Yan, dito na po si Sir Jack. Sir Jack?
Okay po, thank you. So, yung sa slides ko, yung dashboard is sa division level. So, makita po natin isang graph lang po yun kasi makikita nyo doon is yung schools lang ang makikita nyo sa division nyo. But for the regional level, dalawang graph, makita ninyo yung submissions by division and sa school. So, ayan. And also, same, kanina sa SDO, dalawa lang yung nandun, teachers and schools. So ngayon, for the regional level, mayroon pong teachers, schools, and divisions. So ilang teachers ang nakapag-submit within your region, ilang schools ang nakapag-submit within your region, at saka ilang divisions ang nakapag-submit within your regions. So the same process, mayroon din pong filter sa regional office to filter yung submissions po. So yun lang, ma-monitor po natin yung submissions. And once you're going to hover or ipo-point nyo yung mouse dyan sa graph na yan, makita nyo, halimbawa, si Samal City, ilang submissions, just hover and it will display the number of submissions within Samal City. 4. Davao naman is 1. For sa school, si Sample ES, isa, at saka si Angel Villarica Central School, 4. So yun po yung simple monitoring of the submissions. Ang tanong kanina, ito po ang hopefully ito yung or nasagot po yung katanungan mo by through this dashboard or through this monitoring system. Okay? So ayan, simple lang. Log in and there you go, you have the dashboard. Okay? So again, simulation. Ready? Sir Kaloy, simulation na po.
Okay po, sige po, simulation po tayo. Ano yung makikita nyo in your dashboard after all the teachers have submitted their IPCRF? So ang tanong ko dito while preparing, Sir Peter, ang tanong niya, who can access the monitoring site? Access denied kasi, hindi ko ma-open. As of the moment po, si HRDD Chief at saka si SGOD Chief with the HR SEPs and and supervisor, sila lang po ang may access niyan. And if you are the SGOD Chief po, right now, tapos di kayo maka-access, perhaps yung email niyo po na right now you are using is not the DepEd email. Kasi as of the moment, we already have enrolled the email ads addresses of the SGOD Chief and EPS together with the HRDD Chief of the region and the EPS po. Na doon na po sa monitoring site po natin yung mga email addresses. So yun po yung mga possible reasons kung bakit access denied po.
You have 5 minutes to accomplish the dashboard.
Sabi ni Sir Vicente, hindi niya daw ma-access Sir Jekyll. So pa-enlighten sila Sir Jekyll, ba't hindi nila ma-access?
Okay. You're using same po sa sinasabi po ni Sir Angelo na registered po. So and also check your the email if that is a DepEd email or Gmail yung naka-active po diyan. Okay. And also if mayroon pong SGOD chief at saka yung dalawa lang po ang pwede makapag-access ng dashboard po natin. Okay? So hopefully all of the participants na nakapag-check, and also please keep this link, yung hindi pa nakapag try na mag-fill up doon sa form, try nyo fill up and submit and monitor. So kung makikita po ba. So ayan. So I think that is the end of my presentation.